If you want to check if an element exists, you can use the if statement. We can use if, let's say, name in my dict, then we have to print. Let's print, let's say, my dict, and then let's print the particular name. Okay, let's go ahead and save this. So as you can see that our if function returns marks, so that means that marks is in our dictionary. Also, we can try to the try and except method. For example, instead of using the if statement, we may use the try. For example, let's write try, and let's say print my dict. Let's put a name here, and then let's accept that we print error. Let's say error. Let's go and save this, and if we run it here, I think we need to, yeah, so we have the marks here because marks is there. So if we just try to put last name here, we need to see the error. So if we print it here, we are going to have the error as we have specified. Okay,